So higher order differential equation means, like, consider if given an equations in form of, like, same here, what, like, equation means quadratic equations, right? This one quadratic equations, cubic equations. So here what is the variable here? X. Here they will give in the form of differentiation. That is higher order differential equation. An equation in form of that constant may be given a naught d of ny by d of xn plus a1 d of n minus y d of x of n minus 1 plus a2 d of n minus 2 y d of x of n minus 2 and so on. That an y is equal to phi of x is called as differential equations, where this a naught and a1 all is constant here. Like same example we can write here, like given cubic equations like this here, like 2 into d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 4y something is equal to sine of x given. So this is a differential equations only. Okay, maybe it's given in the some another forms also, like 2 into y double dash plus 3 into y dash plus 4y is equal to sine of x, or maybe like this, 2 into d square plus 3 into d plus 4 y is equal to sine of x. So all three meaning is same only. All three having the same meaning. That is called as differential equation. Here that order is what here 2. That values is given which is power of 2. So we need to find here the solutions, general solution. General solution which we did in the last chapter also, last modules. There was, we did exact equations, linear Bernoulli differential equations. So that is all was the order of 1. Now here higher order is like a double differentiation or triple differentiation, like that they will give you. So we need to find here same general solution, that is y. Okay, we have to find the general solution y. How will you find here? That we are going to study here. Let's consider this is any differential equation is given. This is your f of d and y is equal to right hand side some function is given sine of x. So right hand side if you given 0, note if you keep in mind here, f of d of y is equal to what given 0, means right hand side is what something given 0 is called homogeneous differential equations. That is called as homogeneous differential equation. Like example here, like d square plus 2d plus 3 y is equal to 0 is given. Right hand side 0 is given, then is said to be homogeneous differential equation. And I said here this one question given in the form of like this also. So we have to not confuse, all the meaning is what same only. Is equal to 0, or maybe given like 2 into y double dash plus 2 into y dash plus 3 into y. All three meaning is what same only. So whenever the right hand side is 0 given, then it's said to be homogeneous differential equation. When homogeneous is there, then we have to find y is equal to yc. That yc is called as complementary functions. We have to find the complementary functions. That will be the solutions, yeah, general solutions. When the function is what homogeneous differential equations. Any equation is given in the form of homogeneous, then we need to find the complementary function, and that will be our solutions. But if the right hand side something is given, f of d, if y is equal to some function is given like sine of x or polynomial functions, a to the power x, anything is given here is called right here written f of dy not equal to 0 is called non-homogeneous differential equations. That time we have to find the general solution y is equal to yc plus yp. where this yc is same like a complementary functions. This yp is called as particular integral, and this y is general solutions. And here, if any function is given, yeah, any question is given, we have to just choose. We have to check out whether this equation is homogeneous equation or non-homogeneous equation. If right hand side is 0 is given, then it's homogeneous differential equation. That time we have to find just complementary functions, and that will be our general solution. When the function is non-homogeneous, then we have to find yc and yp both. We have to add it. That will be the general solutions. Okay, so let's see one by one how to find the complementary functions. Yc. So consider second order differential equations. First is given like here, a into d square plus b into d plus c into this whole thing y, and right side is called to what? 0. Right hand side 0, that's why it's called as homogeneous differential equations. So this is our f of t, y is equal to 0. So this is homogeneous given, so we need to write first the auxiliary equations. Auxiliary equation means where is d is there, you make it substitute the values m, d replaced with m, and that is called as auxiliary equation. So we can write here a into m square. Sorry. That will be am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So you can find by the you can find the root m by using the factor method or the formulas minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant d, which you have already studied in the lower classes. So here, if any quadratic equation is given, so it can be the three types of root. Case 1, if d will be greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Okay, so let's consider m1 and m2. You got the root. So yc we can write it here, c1 into e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x. Okay, so if any, like consider like example here, like consider you got the root 2 and 3. The root 2 and 3 both are real and both are distinct, different is there. So we can write yc is equal to c1 e to the power of 2x plus c2 e to the power of 3x. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if we given 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 means 3 root. When a cubic equation is given, we got the 3 roots, which are real also and distinct. All 3 are different. So yc just we have to write the algebraic sum of all the individual. Okay, 1 minute, this is disturbing. So yc is equal to, we can write here c1 e to the power of 3x plus c2 e to the power of 4x plus c3 e to the power of 5. Yeah. So this is the individual sum of each root. C1 e to the power of that root into x. Now case 2, if d is equal to 0, d means discriminant is 0, then root will be real and equal. The roots are real and equal, will get it. So let's consider m1 and m2 is what two root we got it, and both are same. So yc we can write in the case of root are equal here, c1 plus c2x into e to the power of mx, whatever the equal is. Like example here, consider 2, we got the root. Both are real and both are equal. So yc we can write here c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 2x. Similarly, consider if you got it 4, 4 and 4. These 3 roots are equal. So yc what we can write? c1 plus c2x plus c3x square, because 3 root is that every time you have to keep multiplying x, into e to the power of 4x. And now till root is given like 2, 2 and 3, 3. Then what will you write? 3, 3, 3. Consider 5 root important. So yc is equal to, these two are same and these three are same, but both group is what? Distinct here. Okay, this group and this group is what? Distinct here. So for this one same is there, so I can write yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 2x plus, so this one here c3x c3 plus c4x plus c5x cube x square into e to the power of 3x. Okay, any doubt in there?
Yes, sir.
So now case 3. Case 3. If d is less than 0, then roots are complex. Okay, root are complex, is also called as imaginary. So that time imaginary numbers will always come in the form of pair p or plus or y, q. So yc in the case of this one we can write e to the power of px c1 cos of 2x c1 cos of yc is equal to write e to the power of px c1 cos of 2x plus c2 sin of 2x. Alright, like consider you got the root here 3 plus or minus 2i. So yc is equal to what we can write? P is here 3 and q is 2. So e to the power of 3x c1 cos of 2x plus c2 sin of 2x. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
If you given root is what? Plus or minus 2i, then what you can write yc?
Or you can do minus as well.
Oh, sorry?
You can also do c1 cos 2x minus
Yeah,
c2.
because p is 0 here. So e power 0 is 1, so we can write c1 cos of 2x plus c2 sin of 2x. Okay, so we'll see some problem based on this. Let's consider question number first given here.
Okay.
d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus 12y is equal to, that is minus 12y is equal to 0. Okay, correct, right? This question also can be given in the form of like this. So you have to understand meaning is same only. Okay, again I am telling here because you will not confuse in the examinations. Okay.
Okay.
If any three format if given, meaning is same only. Okay. So this is right hand side is 0 is given, means this is a homogeneous differential equation, right?
Yes, sir.
So first what I said, you have to write the auxiliary equations.
Yes, sir.
So just d replace with d means differentiation. Replace with m.
Yes.
So
M
it
is
becomes
4 and minus 2.
m square minus m minus 12 is equal to 0.
Yes. M minus 4 times M minus M plus 2.
You can write here m square plus 3m minus 4m minus 12. You can write the factor method, you can do it, or you can do it by that formula. So m is equal to, we'll get it here, minus 3 and 4. Right?
Yes.
So yc is equal to, we can write here both root are real and distinct here. So yc is equal to write c1 e to the power of minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 4x. So we don't stop here because we need to find the y. Okay, since this is the homogeneous function, so y is equal to what, yc. So this c1 e to the power minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 4x is the general solutions. Getting?
Yes.
So question number 2.
So I know how to do all these.
Okay, so you know how to find that power 3 if given.
Yes.
Y triple dash minus 4y 4y double dash y dash plus 6y is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus m plus 6 is equal to 0. How will you find the root of this cubic
So
equation?
wouldn't it be m
Yeah.
minus 4 squared?
So what will be the root? How will you find the root?
You can use that method of the.
So just what you do here, if a cubic equation is given, you put the value 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, or plus minus 3. Okay. In between that, you will get it exactly one root.
That's it.
So here 0 if I put, I won't get. If I put it 1 here, 1 power 3 is 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6. Right? 6 plus 1 7 is not same. Not equal to 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
You put it here, m is equal to minus 1. This is minus 4, this is minus 1 plus 6. So how much? 4, 5, 6 and plus 6 is 0. Right? So m is equal to minus 1 is 1 root, we got it. So you create the table here and convert this cubic equation to the quadratic here. Write the coefficient here 1. This coefficient is minus 4, 1 and 6. First term is 0 here. These two have to add it. 1 plus 0 is 1. This into this multiply, write it here. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. That becomes minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5 is 5. That becomes 6. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. And this is 0. This is definitely will get it 0. Okay. So now this one term is the form of quadratic here. M square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. You can write here m square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 is equal to 0. So m is equal to m minus 3 minus 2 equal to take the common here, m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to here 3 and 2. So overall m we got it, cubic equation is given, so we should get 3 roots. We got it minus 1, 2 and 3. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So yc is equal to, we write c1 e to the power of minus x plus c2 e to the power of 2x plus c3 to the power of 3x, because all three roots are real and distinct. And since this is a homogeneous equation, so y is equal to what, yc only. So this will be our answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, so homogeneous you can do it by this one already. You said you know that. We'll see
Sir,
that.
for homogeneous constant, I know how to do it. For non-homogeneous, I don't know how to do it.
So this one I will teach. So see here in this one, method to find the complementary function. Particular integral. So here, let some f of d of into y is go to right hand side, something they will give some functions. Okay, so first you write in the form of yp is equal to that phi of x by f of t. Okay, like example I'm telling here, like d square plus 2d plus 3 something is given, like equal to something right hand side, some function sine of x. Okay, sine of x given here. So first you write here yp is equal to sine of x by this whole terms, d square plus 2d plus 3, this one. So now this one, if we want to got it here, there are four types of 4 or 5 types questions will come here. That one we are doing here. First one, type 1, particular integral in form of yp is equal to e to the power of ax by f of t. Right hand side is given e to the power of ax. So to get the solutions here, just d replace by a. Okay, you have to write it, d replace with a. Consider if you d replace with a you did and you got it 0, then you multiply x in the x into e to the power of x and differentiate denominator, and then again d replace with a you do. If you got 0, then again you have to multiply x and double differentiations you do it with this denominator f of d, and then again d replace with a till you got the constant. I'll take the example, then we'll understand more later, but now keep in mind this method. Any doubts so far?
No, so I'm just copying down what you wrote.
This one just copy down because this is important here. When keep in mind, if you replace here and you got 0, so nothing to do it, whatever is given, just multiply x and this denominator you have to differentiate with respect to d1, and then whatever the value comes you be replaced with a. If again 0, then again multiply x and double differentiate denominator and d replace with a. Here question can comes in the form of like this, no time writing here. Hyperbolic functions can come, sine of h of ax, that hyperbolic functions, or cos hyperbolic functions. So you know that sine of hyperbolic functions we can write in term of e to the power of x, right?
No, sir, I didn't know that.
So sine of hyperbolic, if you given right hand side, we have to consider type 1 only, because this sine hyperbolic we can write in the form of that e to the power of x. That's like e to the power of ax minus e to the power of minus x by 2. Okay. Similarly, if you given cos hyperbolic, that is also same only, e to the power of ax minus in the place of here plus will be there. Okay. If you given only constant terms, like constant given, like consider 2 is given, so that also you have to consider as a type 1, because 2 you can write e to the power of 0x, so it will be 2 only, here d replace with 0 you can do it. And if you given 2 to the power of some type comes to power of x, so you can write here in term of log e to the power of log of 2 into x, so here will be d replaced with log of 2. Getting right hand side, if you given like this type of questions, so also you have to consider as a type 1. Okay.
Yes.
This one also you write it because this is important.
Yes,
Questions will come in this progress. Now see here the questions in type 1. Like I will do it question number 2. D square minus 6 dy by dx plus 9 y is equal to that 6 into e power of 3x plus 7 into e to the power of minus 2x minus log 2 plus 3 to the power of x. Okay. So first we write the auxiliary equations here. This is the homogeneous because right hand side of function is given. First we need to find the complementary functions. So m square minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. So what will you get the root here?
I'll just be 3.
Hmm?
So just be 3 and 3.
3 and 3. Yeah. M square minus 3m plus 9 is the right equal to 0. You will get it m is equal to 3 and 3. So yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 3x. That is a complementary function. Now we'll do for the particular integral. So you do it here. First to bring this one whole things this side. So yp is equal to, I can write it here, 6 e to the power of 3x divided by, all you do this, split it separate plus 7 into e to the power minus 2x divided by d square minus 6d plus 9 minus log of 2 d square minus 6d plus 9 and plus this 3 to the power of x d square minus 6d plus 9. So here we can write d replace with a. What is a here? This value is a, right?
Yes, sir.
Which I said here, e power of x given here. So d replace with a. A means this coefficient of power of which is given x, e to the power of ax. D replace with a. So here a is 3. D replace with 3. Here d replace with minus 2.
Sir, will it be e power 3x instead of 3x? E
Sorry?
power x?
Sorry?
It will be e power 3x.
So yeah, that e power of 3x means e to the power of x format is given. No, this is type 1.
Okay.
This is type 1, right? Given right hand side is given e to the power of x. So you have to consider as type 1. And type 1 is what? D replaced with a. So a is whatever the e to the power of ax format is given. So a is at 3. Similarly here a is minus 2. And here log 2 is given constant. So I told here constant you can write like e power of 0x, right? So I log 2 I can write here log 2 into e to the power of 0x. Here we have not changed because e power 0x is 1 only. So here you can write d replace with 0.
Yes.
And 3 power x also I said 2 power x is given. So I can write e to the power of log 2 into x. So what you can write here?
Log.
E to the power of log of 3 into x. Getting?
Yes.
So 3 power x is equal to this 3 power x is equal to same as e to the power of log of 3 and x. Okay. So here you want to find the a. So a is log 3. So d replace with log of 3 we have to do it. Any doubt in tell me here? So yp will get it here. 6 into e power of 3x divided by this one 3. 3 square is 9 minus 18 is minus how much will you get?
It will be 9 minus 18 plus 9. So 0.
0.
Minus 9.
So here denominator is getting 0 here. Plus here
Also 0.
this is minus 2 not 0. Okay. Minus 2 square is 4.
Minus
minus 4 plus
25.
4 plus 12. 16. 16 plus 9 25. Minus here write log of 2 divided by d replace with 0. 0, 0 and 9. Right? Plus Here you can write 3 to the power of x and d replace with log 3. Log 3 whole square minus 6 into log of 3 plus 9. And out till here. Now denominator has come 0. This is got the answer. This 3 you got the answer. But here denominator got 0 here. So what you have to do? Denominator if it comes 0, you have to multiply x and differentiate this denominator, right? I choose this question because we can do all the type of question can come. So here multiply with x and differentiate denominator, means this becomes 2d minus 6 and this one is as it is only. This is what the answer. Now replace with 3. Replace with 3, then again it comes 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? Again multiply x and differentiate denominator. 2d differentiation is 2 and 6 is 0 plus 7 into e to the power of minus 2x by 35. This is got
How did you get 6x squared?
this one. 6 as it is only. 6 is there, no?
Yes, sir.
6 is there in the question only, no?
Yes, sir, but how did you get 6x squared?
I told the first time you have to multiply x. Again you replace with 3 you did, then you got 0 again. So one more time you have to multiply x.
Sir, can you repeat that?
Oh. See here what I said here, when you replacing these values, okay, d replace with a, you got it 0. That time you have to multiply x, whatever you got it here, you have to multiply x and denominator have to differentiate. Okay, and then d replace with a. If you're getting 0, so again you multiply x. So it's become x square. This is the rule here. So here what you have to do? I did have d replace with 3, so you got it 0. So I multiply x and denominator I differentiate it. D square differentiation is 2d, minus 60 differentiation is 6 and 9 is constant 0.
Yes.
So then again I replace d with 3. So 3 into 6, 6 minus 6 again 0. So you have to multiply x once again and denominator differentiate. So 2d differentiation is 2 and 6 is 0. And out till here.
Yes, sir.
Understood now here? 6x square.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want you can cancel this one 2 and 3. So this is what yp here. So you can write y general solution, y is equal to, this is general solution. This is you have to write it. Okay, otherwise they will cut the marks. Y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc got it c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 3x and plus this yp values is this whole thing. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is type 1. So this one all questions you can do it. Okay, which one hyperbolic is given? This one cos of h given here. So just replace with e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. And then cos formula you write it and then d replace with check out. And condition which is given you also have to substitute it to get the value of c1 and c2. Okay. Now type 2. You are given particular integral in form of sin of ax by f of t or cos of ax by f of t. Right hand side sin x, yeah, cos is given. Then you have to consider as a type 4. Okay. So now see here, if given here what you do, d square replace with minus a square. Okay, d square replaced by minus a square. Minus will be this is outside as it is. Okay, and whatever the a is given, this compound angle, that one is square. Okay, if you given the type 2. And out till here?
No.
Just we have to do d square replace with minus a square. D we cannot do. Okay, d replace not. D square replace with minus a square.
Okay.
Here question can come like all the sine square values formula. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square of a minus 1. Like if you have already, I have told this is important. Everywhere will come. Like if it comes question sine square of a, right hand side. So we can write in the compound angle 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay.
Yes.
Cos square comes here, so we can write 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Here sine cube is given. You can write sine 3a is equal to 3 sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. All the basic formula, trigonometric formulas question can come. 4 cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos of a, or cos a into cos b is equal to half of cos of a plus b. This formula you write it. This is important question to come with. Cos of a plus cos of b. You write half of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay. Cos a plus b, cos a into cos b. Cos a into cos b. You have finished?
Yes, sir.
See the questions here. Let's do first question number 1 only. Okay. D square plus 4 y is equal to given here sin 3x plus cos 2x. Okay. So auxiliary equations you can write here m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So m is equal to plus or minus 2 I will get it. So yc is equal to c1 cos of 2x plus c2 sin of 2x. Any doubt in this yc?
No, sir.
You got it now why you got in 2y? Because this will come this side minus 4.
Yes.
Complex 4. Now for the particular integral, so we have to write yp is equal to sin 3x divided by, you split it separate, d square plus 4, and this one is what, cos 2x d square plus 4. Here we have to replace d square, replace with how much? Minus a square. A is what here? 3. So 3 square is 9. D square replace with here a. A is 2. So minus 4. So yp is equal to sin 3x divided by this minus 9. If you put it here, you get it minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 and plus. It's okay. See here. So sin 3x d square plus 4 d replace with minus 9 I did because a is 3 here. Okay. So minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. D replace with here, d square replace with minus a square. A is 2 here, so minus 4. So if you replace here, denominator will get it 0. Right?
Yes.
So d, if you get it 0, then you also have to treat like a same only like a previous type. Sin 3x by minus 5, this is fine. You have to multiply x here and denominator differentiate. So d square differentiation is 2d. Okay? Any doubt till here?
Sir, how did you get that? Okay.
This one you got it here. Now here, something function given when divided by d given means integration. Okay, something d into some function is given, means differentiation. Getting it? So here
Yes.
divided by d is given, so you can integrate and you can get the, you can remove this d. Minus sine 3x by 5 plus x as it is only x by 2, sine 2x integration. Sorry, cos 2x integration. Cos 2x integration is sine 2x by
Now I have a question.
2. Tell me.
So for cos 2x by dr 0, how did you do that?
If you replace 4 minus 4 here, you get it 0, right?
Yeah.
So denominator is over 0 here. So what you have to do, like the same previous method, you have to multiply x and differentiate denominator part.
Okay.
So d square differentiation is 2d and 4 is 0.
Okay.
So something divided by d means integrations here. So I am integrating cos 2x integration is sine 2x by 2.
Okay.
So we'll get it here minus sine 3x by 5. And this is plus x into sine 2x by 4. So we can write y is equal to yc plus yp. This is the answer only. Getting?
Yes.
Something we're getting here. They're written in the form of sine 2x, no problem here. If you want to correct, no same only. Correct, same. Any doubt till here?
No.
One more questions we'll do it. This one type 2 is.
Sir, actually, can you go up for a quick second? Okay.
Fourth is easy
I don't,
because just
which
d
is the
replace.
hard one?
Fourth is not easy. This one cos square I will do it.
Okay.
So d square plus 2d and plus 1. D square plus 2d plus 1. Equal 2x minus cos square of this. Okay. So tell me the auxiliary equations first. M square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
You can write here how much?
Minus
1 minus 1, right?
Yes.
So yc is equal to c1 plus c2 into x into e to the power of minus x. So yp here e to the power 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1 and minus cos square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. Okay, so this is type 1 because it's given e to the power x, right? Type 1. This one you consider particular integral 1. And this one is what type 2, that we will consider P2. So P1 how will you find? P1 just separate I am finding it here. E power 2x and d replace with here how much? A 4 and plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Any doubt in P1?
No, sir.
For the second one cos square is given. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For the P2. Cos square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. So here cos square we cannot do cos square, you can write in the form of, like which formula is here, in the form of compound angle. Okay, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So cos square I can write it here 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into d square plus 2d plus 1. Okay? So 1 by 2 is outside. So we'll get it 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 and here cos 2x by d square plus 2d plus 1. So this is 1 by 2 into d square plus 2d plus 1. And this is cos 2x by this one 2 times of d square plus 2d plus 1. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So here is what, this is the first type only I can write e power 0x constant is there here. d replaced with 0, so this is 0 0 1, so we'll get it 1 by 2 plus this one, this is type 2 here, d square replaced with minus 4, a is here 2, so cos 2x divided by d replaced with minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 if you do, then what will get? 2 times, as it is only minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, 2d minus 3, right?
Yes.
2d minus 3. So here d we cannot do, so we have to do the rationalizing. Getting?
Yes, sir.
I have to rationalize, have to apply the component of different value. So here it will become d square, and so we can replace it. So this is 1 by 2, this into this, 2d into cos 2x plus 3 into cos 2x divided by this 2 as it is only, this a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 4d square minus 9. Any doubt till here? So 1 by 2 plus d into something, I said differentiation. So this one you differentiate. Okay. So cos 2 differentiation is minus sin 2x. So minus 4 sin 2x plus 3 cos 2x as it is only, divided by this 2 into d square replaced with minus 4. So it becomes minus 16 minus 9 minus 25. So you can write here 1 by 2 plus this one you can write here 3 cos 2x minus 4 sin 2x divided by minus 50. Okay, so yp is equal to p1 minus p2 was there. Okay, this is p1 minus p2. P1 we got it 3 power 2x by 9 minus p2 is this. So minus 1 by 2, and this will minus become plus here, 3 cos of 2x minus 4 sin of 2x divided by 50. So y is equal to yc plus y, c1 plus c2x into e power of minus 6, we got it right. Plus this one e power of 2x by 9 minus half plus 3 cos 2x minus 4 sin of 2x divided by